Queen about frame so kept the entire cloning in Edu. Cloning in Edu.
Why this? I'm on for bro.
Where? Me say si we pa he ukodata ase so kakra no bunzo gu ho kakra wuntimi nya hwe enra me manim enra me frɛ yi si gipanyimu baako and the woman was kind me fiewura enra na dro insulin ese wo offer wakoto ice block eno ode ase so de say ice block ne ho a na so wo pane na onya reaction ni ye enra have to call ECG mpan for oh Jack ade amu ye die ano ode o somebody you just give us an official timetable. Say I'm timetable will be here. And I'm boy. So my timetable I just accommodate myself to it.
Me for example, na me kan wo office was there. Me on. Matrasia wo fie na me ama access ya no mahu. Anu mahu da me da money da kanem. Unim ene. Se bibia ansi barring any unfortunate. Ombedum bi there. And na bia metimi o me do me be 2 hours me eno de ti na me fa kan o ene me dan kanem o tena ye Tuesday ye bedum no ye dum no anwumre be 6 o tena e wo me be
abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba e de baga na nsem TV so but mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba o so nsa e betima kabi na so watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofen apeso boan Regr3t number na wase no adaroma nsabeka na new studio so ya nyina akoso ni beso pa so na another I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Na me share video no I dey share them for free mun say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadian Bay I will say youth of a like youth or mind bimu more rebellious politicians now of a sudden their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Queen about frame so kept the entire cloning in Edu. Cloning in Edu.
Why this? I'm on for bro.
Where? Me say si we pa he ukodata ase so kakra no bunzo gu ho kakra wuntimi nya hwe enra me manim enra me frɛ yi si gipanyimu baako and the woman was kind me fiewura enra na dro insulin ese wo offer wakoto ice block eno ode ase so de say ice block ne ho a na so wo pane na onya reaction ni ye enra have to call ECG mpan for oh Jack ade amu ye die ano ode o somebody you just give us an official timetable. Say I'm timetable will be here. And I'm boy. So my timetable I just accommodate myself to it.
Me for example, na me kan wo office was there. Me on. Matrasia wo fie na me ama access ya no mahu. Anu mahu da me da money da kanem. Unim ene. Se bibia ansi barring any unfortunate. Ombedum bi there. And na bia metimi o me do me be 2 hours me eno de ti na me fa kan o ene me dan kanem o tena ye Tuesday ye bedum no ye dum no anwumre be 6 o tena e wo me ba bia me wa ye be so around 12 am
wada no
sata mu na be so no na Wednesday nkane abeba me nya nkane adam Thursday ye dum no 6 pm you be so no 6 am the next morning the Thursday to me nankaniam Friday no nyankani adam Saturday me pa me pie free daytime no weekend no
I'm said my friend I'm so ba ka jam so over so kwa na me nam mintimi me light me nam hwe of ade we o mo kan as o mo so ma be sa nationwide transformer installation no I'm taking you back to the 15th of March 2024 okay do be
obey ti ba me na me to amanfofo o ankasa tenase hwe wo ho no part no kan ya no dum no ne part no na hu kwan betimi dia fa so other than that I'm about timetable. But one because I mean my trust in my party, and it's been like that for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, and the next following week I told about 5 weeks.
Yes.
At the systematically.
Yeah. You know, a pastor came and gave me a contract to go and insult a president of Ghana somewhere. And I said, this is a big thing that I can't do it. And even when you go through, my mom is an adopted child, which the president, my mom is from the president's side, which the president that I'm talking is Nana Akufo-Addo.
Wow.
This thing happened at the time Nana Akufo-Addo was a president. There are certain things I don't want to go to that point because it's something that was uncalled for. And such a man that I respect so much, I was shocked that such a man can give me that contract to go and do. So I said...
wait, I want to understand it well. So the pastor reached out to you and wanted you to do a song.
No.
To insult the president,
No.
or he wanted you to do it verbally.
Verbally.
Honorable Anodompre, Daddy. Uni with team, money mutu, Yanko Ponshira, papa. Yasisa o yampi wa ensawama duajira sehen. Yanko Ponshira wo papa. Yadi ya mabunu ya fra wo Samson of our time. Woni ya wiye ye bremu Samson. These are the sum of situational. Ya ma menom ni ya papa no ma omo grounds, omo fam. Ya tikrom ha, ya se dollar kofom. Dia na dollar. Impact bay na dollar wo ewo Ghana fo ya setena mu ni abrabo so. Ene ko busa businessman fo a ekra no ma fra brochire situation omu komu wo port. Ni dwirimu a ekoso. Ene wo mu nyina anu omu ho, omu ntimi ma out meka. Say bi ni ehia mo, enya TV so ni radio station so dabi kuani nu ntimi nka ne hawa wo namu nkirew. MPP and woman be saying na ya lacking to honorable me hunu ni amenye. Mu amu betua akuafo ka akuafo do wo mumuro no omo no baya mu ko ye no omo ka 14 million 1 bag of maize enso no omunya atofo mo to and 3 million omunya ni nyina ne se NDC aban se na de Brazil no obekwa akofa aburo kronunti obewia kobunko ntaso akoto aburo bag baako 1 billion. Because ye timito 1 television set 8.something billion ewo man we mu. Yan koto bro wo Brazil na ye bunkonta ye tumia bugana fo. Na ye tiwo man we mu enipa no bia koje bosia do bro ne mo ye nya tofo mo nto na NDC aban to bro free Brazil neba. Adaya ya de ma ye port na mo nto. Ghana fo free ye poultry farm bepem ne. Nkosia ye di ni krom ha free tete bepem ne. Ena de Brazil mom na wose ye to aburo ma ye nkokọ. Adwene krono adwene. Yeti wo man we mu yankasa ya maamenom ne ya papa no ma do aburo enya atofo ete wose ye kra aburo free Brazil. Enya politics ni yo eno ma bi wo ho a ekoso aban we ya breso abufu time sabi nyansa bia ni ho a ewom ti krom ho kra bro free Brazil ona bu nyame nhira o mokura mo basabi mo ba ye ma akuafo timi ton o no baye enya sika to o mu botom no koko akuafo mo pagya o mu koko buo mu etua o mo ka no yenya nipa no mu bi mo tisi fom eko insight akuafo dada o mu abapem ne kuani nsanka ne sika na mo de amotete radio station so TV station so ade na mo ye. We need you people on the ground. Ye hear mo grounds. Na Ghana fo su, Ghana fo adwadifo su, Ghana fo akuafo su. Asuku fo nkwa de su. We need you people on the ground. Adwuma no wo form. Ukọ form ho a, sane akuafo ka omo ha no. Na Ghana fo hu sampa. Weni no ma ekoso. Yatiti TV station so na mokwa omo ya dollar hu debate. Dollar rate hu debate. Adia mfaso na de owa kwasimintim ne wote adwira kwa me danso dora wo eyewo na brabom mfaso be na dora ewo na brabo so ye hia mo grounds abambone enkrofo we ya mebu manyo Ghana fo eno na ya me ya dabi munya fom agudie omo ba ye efom agudie na omo hwehwe yes Mahama ni nua efom agudie ne ye pe asesa ni nyina akogugu adie me nua no mo amugu sirem mo hwehwe situation amonam enne ebro bayire beans ene bayire eno na mo de bom ho bra mo hwehwe de amonam ne me se Mahama o mebu man me ka kire mo ene da ho no ono na busua me ya wawie gonja mafia na busua eme ya wawie asa akuafo ya adwuma ehia atofo dabi ewasi yakwa bro free Brazil ne ye de akoya nkonta bu Ghana fo sika ne dwirima ye dinti ye nto Ghana fo aburo ye tikrom ha ya nya abanya wose wo nto Ghana na Brazil wo wasase papa chen Ghana Brazil na ono na asase wura ne sere ayi ahwede nko na odedo no Brazil wo wasase chen Ghana Brazil wasase chen Ghana ewia be ka kire yese galamsenti yensa ase asaya yentumi mfanya ayi ti ekoto aburo afri Brazil obi tisra so timpomu wansamire ado forest green ya noda adua bro onya atofo wo se Brazil aburo na ye akromfo Brazil wasase ya de do aburo papa chen Ghana wo wasase ya de do mo papa chen Ghana NDC akromfo aban Brazil wasase papa chen Ghana
NDC mpanimfo amuni munyansa you are the ones I blame na NDC ntiase ese munya special I'm be honest here I'm fa me honye example say mpanimfo no bi me frɛ mu amonfa no me hia wo hwi o anabisi o Minu aba hanabisi me ka se minu aba because me maame firstborn ewo 54 years ono ye pe enti wo ye minu aba pani 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa me twa interview wa how maame me twa interview me no na me ne wo ntam ye fine me ba Ghana na ye hia kama me ni nkoto be hia kama ye hia wo ye bisa osika ye bisa aka pre ma this ready a me de to wanim na eye ba ko pe ene say enye me last born ye last born me nua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing owie school na adwuma ba ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di ni din ahim amamia eno pene ma this ready a me de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma this ready a me de to ma me wanim e free ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me se no message a you don't even read me nim se me frɛ wo asabio wadwen o se me besrɛ me wan so me nsrɛ skada me NDC ni bia de ko amatwefo na afrɛ no ebisa ne sikada nobody me can come out and say chairman frɛ me na o se ohia boa ohia ska nobody not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again, me see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor Agyeta, which of course Agyeta e onu akasa na komemu e na odi chair me mansre no me nya sesrefo enti ye fremu na se mo mfa e mamadwe nya mo se ye fremu se ye hia bibi o fefe na efe se me no ntembe kama fefe na efe se ye na ye adwumaden enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time eye adwumade boa NDC and esa youth no e dia ade na omonsa aka what have they gotten? Nothing. Can't promise any NDC member say meboa me campaign and as a me kasa dia boa NDC. I can promise. NDM TV because of Musubai. With Musam what thing, with trim what thing, why I say change say barry. When they credo at Mupantimu, no problem. Me and also boxer, credo kutokuro pa de dem. When the Montanas and Mutrimunya ding, Namun no matamfo. Now, or more a door NDC Monto Yanchine. Or him about Benny Nanu Yabe video can say, your fremo crab on Fabium. No dinner bass munina. Now you know one echo and
in future. Or bet me quite echo dinner, Doctor Nenton, so to Aba. At the end,
but said, "O Jan Yame, quine now, they are to hono. So also we are sofo. Now we can crash the Ghana for. Then Yame quine, Jordan, where that was sofo as a moon could away, Namokan. Now they barbe yet, or they be wada because Wawa can separate them, Mahama, you are down for. Or you would be our no country with some